risk bearer. See here, you have three things: buying, combining, and selling. The factors of production at certain price, you process them, and product is uncertain prices. So you are going to have a risk factor coming there. You are going to have a risk factor coming there. You are going to buy at a certain price. You are going to process it, and you are going to sell at an uncertain price. And that uncertain price depends on the market conditions. You will never know for how much you are going to sell. I am just taking a simple example of buying and selling goods. That is simplest entrepreneurship business I've taken here. So you're buying, combining, and selling. Okay, so this you are having a bearing uncertainty. You are going to have an uncertainty here because you know what price you are going to buy, you know what process you are going to do, but you will never know what price you are going to sell. So this is going to have a bearing uncertainty. So entrepreneur, as I said, this is the basic thing. You have a risk associated with your business always, and that risk is not insurable, and you cannot calculate the amount of risk you are going to have in